Gonna do battle against Mother Nature and anybody else that stands in her way. Let's go, Fab. Okay, so there you go. All right, what's the plan?
Head out.
So what did you find out talking to this lady that you're helping with the coffee and stuff?
Oh, she was just very distraught because they've been without power since Thursday, and she has family in town, and the family's stranded at a hotel across town. And
oh my!
So they're just waiting it out. Still no power. Still lots of trees down. So at least it's obviously the snow is melting and it's going to melt, and people will get out of their situation pretty quick, but still, having been stuck in it since Thursday.
Well, there's a lot of people, their food's starting to spoil, because Deb said in her text message that she finally got to her house and her food's getting spoiled. Okay.
Yeah.
So what's the next move?
We'll just get in the vehicle and drive.
Look at that sucker. Whoa, Daddy.
I'd have to say the biggest devastation. Oh, look over here.
Yep. Alright.
So we're giving some people a lift from the west side of town over to the mission. And, you know, we got a lot of snowfall, we got a lot of trees down and stuff, but the biggest devastation is the fact that we're without power. And that's why everyone's trying to get to places where there's food, where there's heat, where there's refrigeration, even where they can just charge their cell phones, for instance, so they can communicate with their loved ones. Looking at everything here in town and the devastation and the people who've been stranded in their homes without power for 2+ days. And then I'm just thinking about all the people that have homes in the hills where they got hit even harder with the snowfall and the heavy snow and trees down. That, I mean, if people are having a hard enough time in town getting out, it just makes me wonder about those people living outside of town that, when are they going to get dug out? When will they be able to come out? Do they have enough food? All that. It's incredible.
trying to get over there to that house fire. That's what he's doing. That was a bad deal. That sounds like she's burning something horrible.
Oh my gosh, look at that flame.
Raymond. Oh my God.
So Dane here is building a makeshift refrigerator to keep the food cold because we've been out of power for 2 days, over 2 days now. And everybody's food is thawing. And as the streets are getting cleared, the grocery stores are getting packed. It's chaos. Long lines. It's unbelievable.
55 hours.
Wow. So here is the makeshift refrigerator. It's awesome. This is how to survive. Good job, guys.
I know. What? The back chain.
Give it a try. See if we get it right.
Oh yeah!
Easy, easy. Turn it hard.
I am.
There you go.
There we go.
Andrew, you want to go run this back over to those people?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna wait till you wait.
We're unstuck now, finally.
Go get that shovel for that guy.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead,
You're welcome. Thanks, bud.
Uh-huh.
Have a good day.